Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show and tell you how to log out of YouTube account from other devices. Please write me if my solution helped you, if it worked for you. I will definitely read the comments and will respond to everyone. Please watch this video to the end. Subscribe to the channel and let's get started. To do this, we need to open YouTube on our cell phones, tablets. In the upper right corner, click on your profile. Here, click Manage your Google account. Scroll to the side. Click on Security, scroll down, and find your Devisic. And here we can see our devices. Click on Manage All Devisic and see all of our accounts that we've ever logged into. And from which devices. If we want to log out of an account, we click on that profile. And then after that, there's this Sign Out tab. Confirm, and then sign out. That's a simple, easy way to sign out of YouTube account from other devices. If you liked this video, subscribe to the channel. Write comments. Thank you all for watching. Goodbye.